Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with the part 4 of percentages. Before going in detail about this percentages, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE BTech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So dealing with the percentages of part 2, let's get started with the problems. 40% of 5 by 6x is 32 is more than 60 percentage of 45. Then what is the value of x? See, 40% means 40 by 100 into 5 by 6 x is 32 is more than 60% of 45. This is nothing but, so if we just minus this 2, the value is 32. They given in this way, that's all. So minus 60% means 60 by 100 into 45 equal to 32. So by solving this, tuza and also 2, and here 3, and here 60 by 100 into 45, right? So 0 0 get cancelled, and 5 2s and 5 9s. So by this 1 by 3x minus 27 equal to 32. So 1 by 3x equal to, if we get this side, it becomes 59. So x equal to 59 into 3, it is nothing but 177, and the value of x is 177. And here is the other question. 2 successive increases. This mainly comes in your aptitude type of questions. 2 successive decreases or 2 successive increases or 2 successive, some successive they'll give you in the aptitude mainly. So as 10% each in price of an article is equivalent to a prime increases. So how much it increases, they're asking, sorry, price increases equivalent to price increases. So just normally what you'll think, so it increases 10%, obviously 2 successive means 20%, but there is a mistake here. When you do it solve the problem, then you'll not find that. So just consider, whenever they didn't give you any percentage, just consider base value is 100. So 100, 2 successive, right? 2 successive, it is nothing but increases, 2 successive increases. So 100 plus 10, 110, 110% and 110%. So 110 into 110 by 100 into 100. So get 100 get cancelled, 0 0 also get cancelled. So how much? 121. So 100 and 121, what is the increase percentage? It is 21%. So what is the increase percentage? 21. All will think that it is 20%. This is how you people will do a mistake. So be careful while solving this type of problems. So we have another problem. Out of two number, 40% of greater number is equal to the 60% of smaller number. If sum of the number is 150, then the greater number is. See, when you have this type of problem, just read carefully once the problem is done. Up to problem is done. Okay. So 40% of 150 is 60. Okay, and 60% of 150 is 90. Okay, so 40%, now what in this, what is the larger? 90, and smaller is 60. So what is the greater number is? Greater number is 90, obviously. So when you get a question, see how she solved. She just she did 40% of 150, she got 60, and when she solved 60% of 150, she got 90. But in this she has taken this one as a large number and this one as a small number. When you have this type of doubt, just do it. See what they said. For a larger number it is 40%, and for smaller number it is 60%, right? So for this 40%, so 40% means 40 40 by 100 into 90. So 2 zeros, it is 36. And for 60 they given, for smaller number they given 60%. So 60 into 60 by 100, so two zeros get cancelled, it is 36. So both are equal. So this is how you have to do it. Whenever they given you like this, just do it with the percentages, and which one is smaller and which one is larger, just take it like that. That is the answer. So here is other question. If 60% of A equal to 30% of B, and B equal to 40% of C, and C equal to X percentage of A, then find the value of X. See, you'll do like this. As a 60% of A equal to 30% of B equal to 40% of C equal to X percentage of A. What you'll solve in this? This takes a lot of time. So how you can solve this is, first just take first value. Okay, 60% of A equal to 30% of B. Person get cancelled, and 60 and 30 means 32 is 60. So 2A equal to B. Okay, this is fine. But what B they given? 40% of C. So 40% means 40 by 100 into C. So when you get cancelled, it comes 2 by 5. So it is nothing but 2 by 5 means 2 also get cancelled. A equal to C by 5 you will get. But again, what C has given? X percentage of A. So X percent means X by 100 into A into 1 by 5. Obviously this one will be there aside. So A get cancelled. So A get cancelled, and 500, X equal to 500, and the answer is 500. Just solve in that way. Just take a one starting one. So by solving this, just do it with B. When you did with B, do it with A, do it with C. So obviously you will get the value of X. And here is the other question for you all guys. In an office, 40% of staff are female, and 70% of female staff and 50% of male staff are married. So the percentage of unmarried staff in the office. So you have to find out the unmarried staff in the office. So do it this and give me the answer in the comment section guys. I'll solve this in the next video. So yesterday question, 40% of X plus Y equal to 60% of X minus Y, then find 2X minus 3Y by X plus Y. See, by solving this you get X equal to 5Y. So just put this X in the X value in a equation. What the equation given? What the equation they have given you? 2X minus 3Y by X plus Y. So in the place of X, just put 5Y, because you got X. By solving that you got X equal to 5Y. So just in the place of X, just put 5Y. So 2 into 5y minus 3y by 5y plus y. So 7y by 6y. So y get cancelled, it is 7 by 6, and the value of this one is 7 by 6. This is how you'll solve the percentages problem. So if you have missed the 3 parts of percentages, the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and watch the videos of percentages, part 1, part 2, part 3. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.